northeast of Gulf Shores Airport. Caution, small bird activity in the vicinity of the airport. Advise on initial contact. You have information. Charlie.
All right, we have Charlie. Make sure the iPad's clear of the yoke. All right, it is clear. The flight controls are free and correct. All right, before takeoff, we'll take care of it. Once we get up closer, we'll call ground in a second. We're gonna go ahead and taxi out of here, out of the hangar space.
Gulf Shores ground, November 8810 uniform.
On ground, say again.
And ground, this is November 8810 uniform. We're at the West Corporate hangars with Charlie, looking for a VFR departure to the south to transit the beach, east to west.
And I just want to make sure I got the right call sign. It's got a lot of background noise. It's 810 uniform.
Correction, I'll work on the background noise. Let me know if this call is more clear, but the call sign is November 8810 uniform.
8810 uniform, Roger, sir. What your background noise? It was ours. All right, runway 9er, taxi via Alpha 1, and you're the red Cessna?
Hey, Farm, we're the red Cessna. We'll taxi to runway 9 via Alpha 1, November 8810 uniform.
And November 8810 uniform, you're going to go westbound, correct?
Hey, Farm, westbound, November 8810 uniform.
All right, November 10 uniform. You want to turn southbound, then go west, or you want to go northbound, then west?
Negative. I want to go south direct to the beach and then transit the beach to the west.
Perfect. All right, got it now. And you need to do a run-up, or you're going to be ready to go when you get to the end?
Yeah, I'm going to have to run up real quick at the hold short of 9 right here, November 8810 uniform.
November 8810 uniform, have a good flight, and tower 118.65 when you're ready to go.
11865 when we're ready to go, November 8810 uniform. You have a good day.
All right, before takeoff, parking brake set. Cabin doors are closed and locked. Seatbelts adjusted and locked. Flight controls are free and correct. Instruments are checked and set. We got all the frequencies we want. Ground is up. We'll be ready to switch to tower. Instruments checked and set. Don't have to worry about the heading. Fuel quantity, 35 gallons on board. Fuel selector valves on both. Mixture is full rich. And elevator trim is set for takeoff at the top of the V. Now for the run-up elevator trim, throttle 1700.
And one. Air 19 Foxtrot Sierra, Gulf Shores ground. Verify you parked at Gulf Air.
All right.
All right. All right, I'm trying to get hold of it. Bearing 19 Foxtrot Sierra.
All right, throttle 1000 RPM, throttle fiction lock, strobe lights are on as needed, radio and avionics are set, flaps are set up for this takeoff, parking brake is released,
runway
window
9er
is
taxi, hold short of the Alpha 1.
Bella 410, no delay to Alpha 3, contact ground point 7.
410. Gulf Shores Tower, November 8810 uniform is holding short of runway 9 at Alpha Run. We're ready for departure.
Bella 30 Lima, make right traffic.
30 Lima, make right traffic.
Check Edwards Tower, citation 391, Romeo Bravo. We went back to approach and she wanted to talk to us, so anyway, we're entering a kind of a modified left base for runway 9.
Number 8810 uniform, Gulf Shores Tower, runway 9 clear for takeoff, right turn out to the south is approved.
Runway 9 clear for takeoff, right turn out to the south is approved, November 8810 uniform.
Citation 91 Romeo Bravo, Roger, say your distance from the airport.
Just about 3 miles to the north and west.
All right,
Romeo Bravo.
we're at a slight left to right crosswind. Final was clear, we did check that, we got our clearance, and confirming I see
Citation 91 Romeo Bravo, Roger, reporting 3 mile left base for runway 9.
Okay, we'll report 3 miles out left base, Romeo Bravo.
Panda 30 Lima, runway 9, cleared to land. You can make a short approach.
Runway 9, cleared to land. 30 Lima.
Bravo's 3 mile left base now for Romeo Bravo.
1 Romeo Bravo, roger, runway 9, cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 9, 91 Romeo Bravo.
Alright, there's 400 feet, gonna start making our turn on course to the beach.
Panda 30 Lima, you can turn right and contact ground point 7.
Right, contact ground. 30 Lima.
Alright, we'll start pulling a little bit of power because there's about 1,000 feet. Alright, there's 1,000 feet, takeoff, already did that. Cruise, pitch set, throttle trim, mixture, not gonna adjust the mixture.
And Tower, this is November 8810 uniform. Do you know if the restricted area 2908 is cold?
8810 uniform, it is cold.
Appreciate it. Thanks, 8810 uniform.
Citation 1 Romeo Bravo, turn right when able, you can contact ground point 7.
Okay, we'll make the next one at point 7 Romeo Bravo.